Today we're going to talk about the power of the order bump and how it can add up to 35% more to your bottom line. I'm John Benson, and this is Sales Copy Secrets. Welcome back to my video, shot again in a weird different location because I'm on a workcation in Florida. So hey, bear with me here. I'm actually shooting this on my iPhone because I can't get any of my equipment to work for some reason. Fingers crossed on this stuff, but we're doing the best that we can. Okay, so what is an order bump? An order bump is a lot different than an upsell. So let me define our terms like we always do. But first, if you are a copywriter or a marketer looking for copywriting tips, tactics, or techniques, you'll want to watch this all the way to the end of the video because I'm going to give you an order bump script that we use that kicks ass. And you're going to want that for sure. I'm going to explain why it works, and let's dive into the training. So an order bump is a one-click after the sale offer that is designed to be an easy sale, something that can be added on to the purchase your customer just made that complements or enhances your initial offer. So you may be asking yourself, John, well, it sounds like an upsell. And it sort of is. It is technically an upsell, but it isn't. And here's the difference. An upsell is, first of all, generally more expensive. And sometimes it's even more expensive than the initial sale itself. So if your initial sale was, say, $37, your upsell might be $97 or $197. Okay, order bumps are rarely more expensive than the offer itself. In fact, usually order bumps are lower dollar offers. So they're slightly lower, sometimes around the same cost. So these are easy wins. You want to get that 35, 45, 50% order bump if you can. It's an awesome way to add a ticket to add a little bit more revenue to your bottom line. But here's what's really cool. It doesn't interfere with the upsell pattern. So if you have, like, say, 2 upsells that follow, you can have an order bump on your checkout page and it looks perfectly fine. There's no worries with doing this. So it's literally leaving money on the table, not having that. So here's what an order bump looks like. As you can see, this is the checkout page. I'm scrolling down the checkout page and I see right here a little box I can check. Say, yes, I want this. Sometimes you can turn that box on automatically, which is kind of cool. Yeah, add that to my order, and it's one paragraph or so of copy. Now, before I get into the order bump script that I like a lot, and there's many that I do like, let me tell you why I like order bumps in general. First of all, they're super easy to add. I mean, all you got to do is have a checkout page and that allows you to do it, which most modern ones do, and you can pop it right in there. Second of all, it's a paragraph of copy, so it's super easy to write. Third of all, it gives you a really high rate of return. So you get a lot of feel goods because you get so much results right out of the gate. So these are kind of fun. So now up on the screen, I'm going to show you one of my favorite order bumps. It was originally written by Frank Kern. We've modified it for Copy Pro, and I'm going to show it to you in a weight loss example. And I'm going to break it down for you and show you why it works. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you see is that checkbox and it says, yes, guys, upgrade my order. Now, before I get into the language, let me explain the exclamation points. You see them all over the place. Like, yeah, boom, whiz. You know, you get that feel you want that feel with an order bump, where you don't want that feel in a sales page. A sales page, with that feel, can be really schmaltzy, bad. You don't want that. Too many exclamation points in a sales page kind of kills it for me. If you're starting at an exclamation point crazy, unless it's toward the end of the letter, you know that you're doing something wrong and you kind of want to change that, okay? So, yes, guys, upgrade my order. So interesting, yes, guys. Now, I left the guys in Frank Kern's original thing because it feels kind of casual. Even now, obviously, if you're a company ran by all women, yes, ladies, upgrade my order. But if you're a company with mostly guys, or even if a company with males and females, guys is a euphemism for both males and females. So yes, guys, upgrade my order. It sounds casual, and I like that. Yes, and it starts off with the word yes, so it's very powerful. Yes. But let's look at the sales copy from there. Right off the bat, you see one-time offer, only $17. Now, it could be any price point you want. This one was $17. It's underlined, it's all capped, and then it goes into the copy. Now, I'm going to read this copy verbatim, so I'm going to be looking down on the screen because I need to read it. I don't have it memorized. So, because I wanted to show you what Frank was doing and what we have edited in Copy Pro to give it this magical formula, this secret sauce that you want, man. Okay, the fast track to water weight loss success comes from having insider intel. Now, obviously, water weight loss, if you're not dealing with that, that's not the problem. But you can say the fast track to copywriting success, the fast track to dog training success comes from having insider intel. Insider information is kind of hot, and I like that. Insider intel, insider information is another way of saying it. Have it in quotes. That's why you're going to want to pick up X, whatever the name of X is. Notice that's why you're picking it up. It's because you want insider information. So that insider intel, insider information, that's the hook, the little mini hook inside this script. You're going to want to use it. Now, from here, it's just copy talking about what the offer is. Filled to the brim with the most yummy keto-friendly desserts, exclamation point. Frothy shakes to die for, cheesecake, blah, 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 exclamation point. Notice every single thing is an exclamation point, exclamation point. It's the short sentences. It's da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, bullets almost. And they're one paragraph long, right? Now, check this out. Prior to now, you could never get this without investing a pricier $47 package, in a pricier $47 package. That's a very good line of copy. So this used to come in a more expensive $47 package. Okay, wow, I'm getting it for 17 bucks. You can only say that if it's true, but you can say normally we would sell this for X if it's not, okay? But you can get immediate access today for just $17. Check the box above to add it to your order. Very simple. Notice that the explanation points stop though. I think that's very clever and very important to point out. The explanation points stop when we get into the offer itself. The offer, and I think Frank is the same way, you don't like to be too bombastic about the offer. But hey, it's only 17 bucks. Just check the box to add it to your order. Notice how I'm talking like this? I might be really excited to go, wow, you're gonna get this, and you're gonna get this. It's only 17 bucks. Now add it to your order. And it's almost like, wow, it diminishes in the intensity. That's done on purpose. You're gonna wanna keep that. So use this very simple formula on your order book. Give it a shot and let me know how you do. And while you're giving it a shot, well, this would be impossible, but I was gonna say watch my next video. But what I want you to do is watch my next video below, then give it a shot. I'm John Benson. I'm here to help make you unignorable.